to calculate the enthalpy of formation of propane. Okay, and I've got the equation for the enthalpy of formation of propane. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to need to work out is the enthalpy required to break bonds. Okay, so I'm just going to call this bonds breaking. And the first one I'm going to look at is I need to change 3 moles of solid carbon into 3 moles carbon in the gas state. Okay, so that is going to require 716 kilojoules per mole. Okay, so it's 716 times 3 here. So that one is going to equal 716 times 3, 2148. The next thing we need to do is we're going to need to break up 4 hydrogen atoms to 8 hydrogen atoms. Okay, so that's 4 hydrogen to hydrogen bonds. Okay, if I look up the bond enthalpy for that, it's 436. So it's 4 times 436. So 4 times is equal to 1744. Okay, if I add that together, (1744) plus 2148, 3892. So bonds formed. Next. Okay, so in propane there are 2 carbon to carbon single bonds. Okay, so if I look that up in the data book, the mean bond enthalpy for a carbon to carbon single bond is 348. That's 2 times 348. 2 times 348 is 696. Okay, and I'm going to make 8 carbon to hydrogen bonds. That's 8 times 412. 412. 8 times 412 is 3296. So the total is equal to 3296 plus 696. Now, because we're forming bonds, this is actually an exothermic process, so the enthalpy change is going to be negative. So it's negative, the total is negative 3992. So if I want to work out the enthalpy change of formation for propane, what I need to do is I need to do the sum of the change in enthalpy for bond breaking plus the sum of the change in enthalpy for bond forming. So I'll just call that F. Okay, so I've got 3892 plus negative 3992. And don't need my calculator for this one. This one will equal negative 100, and it's kilojoules per mole.